you're having trouble receiving login codes from Cash App, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your phone number. Ensure that the phone number linked to your Cash App account is correct. Go to your account settings and verify that your number is up to date. Step 2. Confirm network connection. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal to receive messages. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 4. Update Cash App. Ensure that you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Go to your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates for Cash App. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you still do not receive the login codes, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and ensure you can access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with receiving login codes from Cash App. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.